Hi, in this video lecture, we'll talk about the GRN process. Let's go to the inventory module, select inventory. Here you can see four different operations are available. In this, we'll discuss about the receipts. The first one is receipts. Receipts are basically the proof of receiving something. So when the product is delivered to its destination location, a receipt is generated against that order as a proof of receiving it. So once the order is delivered to the destination location, the GRN number will be created inside the receipts. So let's get into the receipts. So if I select this will take us to here. And if I remove these filters, you will be able to see these are the orders that are available in my system. Those orders which are in done state. So here you can see status is done. For that, GRN number is created. And some are the orders available which are in ready status. So for that, no GRN is created yet. Now let me take to one in which the status is ready. So if I click this one, you can see this order is ready to deliver but is not delivered yet. So it is in ready state but not in done. So once I confirm this sale order and approve this, so if I approve this and apply this done quantity to the order, you can see the status is moved to the done status, and here the GRN number for this particular order has been created. That means the product here has been delivered to its destination location. These GRN numbers are useful for the uniqueness of the product, and we can identify our product in the stock location using this GRN number. And hence, we can say that GRN number plays a major part in the accounts payable process by confirming that items have been received as expected in accordance with the original order, and that the items can then be invoiced by the supplier and paid for. So this is all about GRN process. Thank you.